How to connect Wix to Zapier for automated financial workflows. So if you want to connect Wix to Zapier for automated connected financial workflows, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, search for Wix, go with www.wix.com, go with get started, make sure that you've logged into your account. And here, make sure that you're under your desktop or your dashboard option. So once you're under your dashboard of your Wix, here on the bottom, you will have settings. So go with settings, which is on the bottom left. And from your settings, you need to go with search and you need to search for developer option. Here, once you've searched for developer, you will have headless settings. You need to click on that. Once you click on that, you need to scroll down and here you need to go with manage API key, which is on the right side. And here you need to go with generate API key. And after that, it will give you this information. So you just need simply go and enter some details and permissions. And after that, go with generate key. Once you've generated your key, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for zapier.com and make sure that you've logged into your Zapier. So go with www.zapier.com. So once you've logged into your Zapier, you just need to simply go with the left side, which has that Zapes option. Now, once you go with the Zaps, you need to just go with create, which is on the top right, and go with new Zap. Here, you need to add Wix as a trigger event. So you just need to simply click on trigger. Once you click on trigger, here you need to go with search and you need to search for Wix. After searching for Wix, you need to click on that Wix option and then you need to paste the link right here. So under the trigger event, you need to paste the API key and after that your Wix will be added or connected to your Zapier for automated financial workflows. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.